Bitcoin in the house. What we're going to do this video is do TA, technical analysis of the price of Bitcoin. And as you can see here, we're going to track from January of 2015 up into currently November 2025. So about 10 years worth of Bitcoin data we're going to take a look at. And as you can see here, Bitcoin has a cycle. These cycles are days of about 1,050 days, then 364, so a little under a year. 1,071 days, and then 364. And then again, 1,064 days, and potentially 364. So as we're dissecting the data, we know what the time frames are going to be, those dates that we mentioned. So now the data here, the movement of Bitcoin, what are we looking at? Well, if we're looking at this first block, 1,050 days, we're seeing that Bitcoin was tracking and peaking and growing. And in 2017, it reached an all-time high. And then for the next 364 days, it plummeted. And then the clock reset. For the next 1,071 days, guess what happened? It reached an all-time high in 2021. And then for the next 364 days, guess what it did? It plummeted again. And surprise, surprise, what happened again? For the next 1,064 days, it continued to grow and soar exponentially up until I think October, late October of this year, when it hit 125,000 per coin. And then what's projected to happen? Well, for the next 364 days, it'll probably have similar movement as it had here and as it had here. Again, this is not a perfect, it's not exact science, but all we can do is use previous data to make projections for what the future could happen or what could occur in the future. So as we can see again, Bitcoin has cycles. These are the cycles. About 1,060 days and then 364 days. So bull and bear. And bull is when it is continuing to go up and up and up and peak, as you can see here. And bear, well, that means it's going to go down, down and down and down and down. So if we see these cycles, we continue to track these cycles, we're going to see movement. Hopefully, if it continues in the same pattern, we're expected to probably reach another low, or the bear cycle will complete sometime in October of next year, and then we'll get on that bull run as has happened the last 3 times. Runs up, runs down, runs up, runs down, runs up. That's where we are now. Guess what expected to happen? Probably run down and then run up again off the charts. So again, not an exact science, but doing our best to put the numbers, the facts, and the figures together. Like and subscribe for more information like this. Buddy hustling.